Want to manipulate your data without worrying about impacting it at its source? SAP Analytics Cloud Import Data Connections enable you to copy your data to our cloud platform so that you can combine, analyze, edit, and share the data in a way that won't affect other operations in those source systems. You can set up import data connections from the Connections area, or during the process of creating a model or dataset. Both cloud and on-premise options are available to choose from. Keep in mind that a few source types, such as SAP BPC and SAP ERP, can't be used when creating datasets. If your specific data source isn't available, SQL and OData options can be used to connect to a wide variety of other sources. You can also connect to other third-party sources, such as Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and Amazon S3, using SAP Cloud Platform Open Connectors. You can find more details about how to enable these in the video description. Keep in mind that before you can successfully connect to a particular source, some configuration may be necessary. For many on-premise sources, you need to install and configure some combination of the SAP Analytics Cloud Agent, SAP CP Cloud Connector, or SAP Java Connector. To get up and running with basic connections, you can use the SAP Analytics Cloud Agent Simple Deployment Kit, which sets up all three of these at once. If you need the full range of customization options for each source, you can install and configure each separately. Check out the links in the video description for more details. When choosing a connection type, you have the option to create a new connection or use an existing one. The options when creating connections differ a bit from source to source. In this case, you just need to enter the connection name and the data service URL, specify the authentication type to use, and enter the credentials for the connection. Once the connection is defined, you can use it to create a new query. Here, you can browse or search for the data to import, and then choose individual measures and dimensions of interest or the entire entity. You can create optional filters to restrict the range of data to import, or to bring in only the newest data since the last import. Keep in mind that incremental load filters are available only for models. In this case, when you're finished, the query is imported as draft data, giving you up to 7 days to finish creating the model before the draft expires. Keep in mind that when you create a dataset, the data is imported immediately without a draft data stage. After the data is imported, the wrangling process is the same as when you create a model or dataset based on a file. For more details about what you can do with imported data, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.